Hey guys, just a quick video to check in to make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, today is Friday. Your assignment is the Solving for Perimeter worksheet for math. Okay, you might want to use your anchor chart or your graphic organizer that we created on Wednesday. I told you to put that in a safe spot so you wouldn't lose it. Okay, so this is the worksheet that you're doing. Hopefully you have a paper copy. If not, then just pause this video and work it out on your own. Okay, so for number one, you're going to draw your tick marks, and remember, perimeter is measuring the outside of the shape. Okay, so you're going to go all the way around it. So this one kind of has some, sorry, my phone. Okay, this one has some that go down and across, so you're going to count all of those. So this is one square, but you're going to have 3 tick marks on it. You're going to have one here, one there, and one when you turn the corner. Okay, don't forget to count when you turn the corner. All right, so you're going to do that here. Okay, this is a square, so remember, squares have the same on all sides. Okay, it's equal. So if this side is 20, then this side is also going to be 20. Okay, all of the sides are equal, so that means over here is going to be 20 and over here is going to be 20. All right, rectangles, your opposite sides are the same, so if this one's 18, that means this one's going to be 18. If this one's 3, that means this one's going to be 3. Add up all of your sides to get your answer. Don't forget to label it. So this one's in feet, this one's in inches, feet, millimeters, feet, and I can't see the last one. Okay, but when that little guy disappears, you should be able to. So this is what you're doing today for math. Okay, we are not submitting it. You're not doing anything on Google Classroom. You're just doing the paper copy on your own. Okay, I'm trying to keep it simple this week. You'll turn in more things as we go, but for this week I want to keep it pretty simple. So, good luck, have fun, enjoy your weekend.